welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how steel is made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Iron ore is reduced, and impurities are separated.
Each batch is refined and tested to achieve the exact strength and composition required.
And that's how steel is made, with quatrains, from raw materials to finished product.